We're at the bow, you guys. I actually just started tossing my flies a few minutes ago. Just got here, so yeah, it looks like it's going to be a great day. There's a lot of sunlight, just a bit of wind, which sucks, but hey, we're out here, It's okay though. Hopefully we catch a fish today. I've not felt a fish on my line for 2 weeks. I am itchy to really catch a fish, you guys, but yeah, that's what's happening. Right now I have 3 worm rigged on. I have a squirmy on top, a gummy worm in the middle, and then I have the red wire right on the bottom. Just like a little nice theme there. I'll try that too. But right now we are chilling. I already snagged up twice, so I don't want to be like close to the bank there. I don't know if I should try that. There's like a small area of water there, but I feel like I'm just gonna spook the fish there because I'm really not experienced enough to actually fish that. If there are fish in there, I'd probably just scare them off, yes, but you know, whatever happens, happens. But right now we are good. I just hope we get into some fish today. So, Mr. Rosin is here now. I don't know what he wants to do. Literally, when I go fishing with him, he teaches me a lot of stuff, which is always I'm thankful for. But yeah, I really hope we get into some fish today. Him too. Mostly me, you know. Just kidding, but I just really hope we get into some fish today. It'll be really good. I've caught 1 trout this year. That's about it. But other than that, we've had no luck whatsoever with trout. I lost 1 trout. That's about it. Oh, he's trying to cross now. What's up, dude? Oh, I knew it. I was like, he's gonna get her, he's gonna film this right here. It is, man. I thought I'd fish there, but it looks too shallow, so I was like, eh. Yeah, summer though, it's gonna be a great spot. So we're actually at that spot, or at the spot that Rosin caught a few fish on. So right now we probably walk a kilometer, like not even exaggerating that, just to be in this area here. Hopefully we got rewarded with fish. So that's the story right now. We are trying to catch a fish. There are a lot of rocks, so like rocks at the bottom. Hopefully I don't get snagged up. I don't want to lose any of my flies. Oh, my goal today, if I do hook up to a fish, I really want to fight it on the reel. Something for change. I haven't fought a fish on a reel for a long time, and I'm stuck already. This area is pretty busy anyways. We ran through like 4 or 5 fishermen on the way up here, so it's not a new spot or anything. Oh, it is a new spot for me in general, but you know, people come here often. There's nice pools and runs and everything, so great structures. Really, I would love to live here. So right now, that is the story. We are trying our best to hook up to a fish. That's huge! Oh my gosh, my guy caught a fish. It's a big whitey though. I saw that thing jump, yo. There you go, first fish of the day.
God, he's heavy. He's a fighter.
Dude, that thing's huge.
It's not that big, actually.
Really? It just looks big on my screen. Or on where I am anyways. He's That's awesome, bro. Caught a first fish today. What he took? Oh, the reese, eh? I don't know if you like look, the worms or the worm looking things, they're brown. That's why I think the Reese's Pieces are just good here. That's awesome, dude. Since about today to go, you guys. He landed one fish today. Lost one trout. Yeah, I know he got to go. He has to go. So hopefully we hook up to one today. It's been too long since I last caught the fish, so right now I'm just fishing with worms. Literally the two fish that he hooked up here in this area, they were both caught on a worm, so hopefully that works out as well. We're crossing the water right now. Pretty tough. Very tiring too. From this. Oh, tiring. I'm so tired. Good fish. Oh. Good fish. It's a good brown trout. Oh my god. I caught a brown trout. I caught another brown trout. Oh my gosh. What a fight. Took the sun one. Oh my goodness. All the hard work. Keep it in the water too. I'm trying to help you, buddy. You gotta open your mouth though. This might be the fish that Rosin hooked up. It's a good sized fish. Get the hook up though. He won't open his mouth, so that's what I'm struggling with right now. Oh my gosh, it's really up. Oh my gosh, what a brown trout. Oh, I'm so happy. There you go, you guys. Such a beautiful brown. He's not the biggest, but that's a pretty big brown trout, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Literally all the hard work and all the flies that the trout and all that. This is why, dude. Ah, that's so awesome, dude. I literally, that's like my second cast in this area here. I decided to go for it. But oh my gosh, you guys. That's amazing. So hard, you guys. Oh, that was amazing. What an awesome fight. Oh, I gotta release him. There you go. I'm gonna hold him to the camera. There you go. I'm pretty sure that's a 20-incher. That's a nice looking fish, you guys. Great fish. Whenever you're ready, bud. Whenever you're ready. So hopefully you guys like this video. I know it's a bit long, but yeah, I did enjoy filming this session, even though it was pretty frustrating. I lost like around 10 flies, but it's all good. I caught this nice brown. But yeah, have a good one, you guys. See you in the next one.